climate change is set to reshape patterns of migration across the world. From the Pacific Islands to the shores of the United States, climate change impacts are already changing where we can live. But what do these new trends in migration mean, and how will the world respond? This course explores how climate change will create new patterns of migration and the experiences of people on the move. As well as understanding what climate change means for people across the world, we'll also look at how governments plan on responding and the politics and ideas that drive their decisions. We'll delve into the histories of both climate change and migration, looking at the history of fossil fuels and why we started using them, and our history as a people on the move, and finally exploring how these two global trends have collided at the start of the 21st century. The course is free and completely online. You can join the sessions live or catch up in your own time. This course is for anyone who wants to get to grips with one of the defining global issues of our time.